Welcome back to Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio spreadsheet. In this video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. I would like to point out that we are currently up on every single stock that we own. This is the first time this has happened since we've started doing these reviews, and we're up almost $1,500. Also, another neat thing is we somehow managed to pick a couple stocks or buy a couple stocks that ended up going up 100%. B&G Foods has gone up 112%, and then Ford has actually gone up 200%. So that's definitely something I never thought I would see happen. But I have to say I'm pretty proud of this little account. As far as the deposits, we have not deposited any money in the month of May. As far as the purchases, we bought 1 share of Verizon. Actually, we bought 2 shares of Verizon. We bought 3 shares of Energy Transfer. We bought 1 share of Sunoco, 2 shares of Realty Income Corp, and we also were able to add 2 shares of QYLD with our dividend money. During the month of May, we also sold AT&T, and we had a capital gain of $5.72. So currently we have about $189 in cash in the account. As far as the dividends received, we received $3.38 from Oxford Lane, $4.39 from Verizon, $5.64 from Energy Transfer, $9.91 from Sunoco, $4.20 from Independent Bank, $1.88 from Realty Income Corp, $2 from Horizon, and $2.08 from AT&T. And as you can see on our Webull yearly dividend tracker, we are currently up from the prior year, which is a good thing. It's kind of neat to see the progress our dividends have made year over year. So last year around this time, we had made $24.95, and then this year we made $33.48. So that's a pretty big improvement. So all in all, I have to say I'm pretty happy with how things are going currently. It has been hard to add more shares, as I had been just adding to the ones that were down. And when you don't have any stocks that are down, it's kind of hard to add to them because you don't really want to pay more money for something you've already bought at a lower price. But thanks for watching, and remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA through M1 Finance, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, our M1 Growth Portfolio. And as you can see on here, between all the accounts, we are up about $6,600. And we have also been able to manage to keep most of our money inside of tax-sheltered accounts. So this is all of our Roth IRA and our health savings account. Enjoyed the video? Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.